This is a late 80s Sharp FX-C11 digital clock radio. This is in original purple color that has faded. You can see on the back here, it's definitely purple. But over the years, it has mellowed out to like a, I guess a puce or taupe type of color. It's in excellent condition with no cracks. Works perfectly. It keeps accurate time. We tested it over the past day and a half or two, and it didn't skip a beat. Receives stations loudly and clearly across the dial. I'm gonna turn it down so you can hear me talk. It's AM FM.
There's nothing.
I'd feed him there and wash him there.
Here's AM.
In fact, you know,
It would be
the best storm through. When you
Is how you turn it off? I think this is alarm right there.
Mark Malusis with you in for BT and Sal.